Solar storm lashing Earth may impact hurricane recovery, experts warn. And this is the image of the solar flare that erupted from the sun's surface October 9. Severe geomagnetic storm conditions could hamper ongoing recovery efforts for hurricanes Helene and Milton by disrupting satellite communications, power grids, and GPS services, the U.S.-based Weather Prediction Center warned on Thursday. A coronal mass ejection CME struck Earth this morning at 11:17 a.m. GMT, Greenwich time, disrupting the Earth's magnetic field and quickly achieving G4, which is severe geomagnetic storm conditions at 12:57 p.m., the agency said. It comes as the sun approaches or is possibly at the peak of its 11-year cycle when activity is heightened. The storm is expected to persist through today and into tomorrow, with the potential to reach G5, that's extreme levels, the highest category of geomagnetic storms, last seen in May, where they produce vivid auroras visible far from the poles. The SWPC said it has alerted the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, and state agencies which are already stretching thin as they respond to the aftermath of Helene and Milton. Infrastructure operators have been notified to take action to mitigate any possible impacts, said the space weather. CMEs, massive clouds of plasma, and their accompanying magnetic fields ejected by the sun, can wreak havoc with Earth's magnetosphere, which shields the planet from particle radiation. They can interfere with satellites, radio signals, and GPS positioning systems. They also pose a threat to power grids. The Halloween storms of October 2003 triggered blackouts in Sweden and damaged power infrastructure in South Africa. Many storms rendered precision GPS systems used by U.S. farmers across the Midwest and Great Plains unusable, resulting in financial losses. They also caused some high voltage transformers to trip, though without large-scale disruption to the grid. Around 5,000 satellites required orbital adjustments due to increased atmospheric drag, SWPC's Sean Dahl said during a briefing on Wednesday. For those in favorable latitudes, potentially as far south as northern California or Alabama in the United States, the auroras will be visible, mostly visible away from city lights in the darkest skies possible. Smartphone cameras may be able to capture the celestial display even when it's not visible to the naked eye. This is from Agence France Presse on Science Alert. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.